Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at how to install Adblock on Google Chrome. So just go and open up Google and then write Adblock. Then you'll be met with this. Go here, Adblock Plus, and then click on Get Adblock for Chrome. Then it will take you to Chrome Web Store. If you want, you could just go into Chrome Web Store and then search up Adblock. But then it has over 10 million users. There's a lot of ratings, so it's widely used. It's not something that's like underground or like not used or that may not be safe, because it is safe because there's lots of users and it's like verified. It has no violations, like the creators of this app. So just click Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension when that pops up. Then you'll just wait for it to download. We'll say installing. Then it will ask you for money, but this you don't have to pay it. It's just for donation, because this is a free thing. So once this is done, what was it called? And then yeah, it has been installed. It says right here, so you have it open now. So if we go on a site that has ads, it will be, let's put this, if you want to see here the Adblock, go on this jigsaw puzzle and then click on the pin, and then it will show up here. And then you can just like open it up and then look. So so if you go to like a website that has a lot of ads, let's just say free, or let's go to YA games. I mean, this is a really old website. Normally there'd be like ads popping up here and everywhere, but there isn't any. Then on YouTube you won't have ads, it will just block the ads. You're watching, and thank you for watching. This is how you install and use Adblock. If you want to disable Adblock, just go on here and then click this, it will disable it. And then you can refresh the page. And yeah, thanks for watching.